chipped the piece off your dresser? No problem, we can fix it. Let's flip it over and glue the broken piece down with some medium glue. Activate the glue with some spray. Pour some thin glue into the crack. Sand it with 220, 320, and 400 sandpaper. Clean it. Rub some fill stick into the crack. Rub the fill stick in with a piece of cardboard. Now let's paint it with some black, gunmetal gray, a hint of natural. Brush some black glaze into it. Seal it with a clear coat. And that's it. We're all done. Looks pretty good.